Racing just is started. We have our leggy break weekly at a start. Color My World in second. Down on the inside. Janelle's episode Pure Motion. September morning comes next. Rushing of his golden class. Then next online now is entry number 5. And this one is Admiral Contender. Paminsan-minsan comes next. And going along for the first turn, we have our leggy by about half length. Janelle's episode in second. Golden Class is watching in third. And next online is Color My World. 6 lengths down in fifth is Paminsan-minsan. September morning, Admiral Contender. Panamera comes next. Gintong Gantimpala. Pure Motion will go finish. Now racing in less. Inside the 3 octavo, Arleggy Golden Class about to throw the challenge on the outside. 3 lengths back in third. Janelle's episode Color My World. Paminsan-minsan September morning. Then comes Gintong Gantimpala. Admiral Contender. Panamera Pure Motion will go finish. Still racing in less as they swing for home. We have Arleggy followed by Golden Class on the outside. Color My World remains in third. Last 100 meters. Arleggy and on the outside is Golden Class. Color My World has 50 meters. We have Arleggy. Second is Golden Class. Color My World. September morning. Then comes Gintong Gantimpala. Admiral Contender.
All right, 7, 11, 8, 10, 6, 5.